Hey friends, it's Hens and welcome back to another video. So for this one, I'm so excited because I've been wanting this for a lifetime. Char, hindi naman, for a few months lang. And I'm over the moon happy knowing that they're already here. What's so special about it is that my Bobby bought it for me. He knows how much I want this, so ayun, he bought it for me. So thank you, Bobob. So guys, today we are gonna see what's inside this adulting journal gift set. Yay! So a little backstory, I first knew of Ate Joyce Pring's name through my friend Dan back in college, and then I first saw her in It's a Girl Thing Manila 2017 at BGC. And then, this September 2020, it was the first time I ever listened to her podcast. It's called Adulting with Joyce Pring through the recommendation of my friend, Miss Charlene Bello. Shout out then. So, ayon, and then I haven't stopped listening to her podcast ever since. It's like my guilty pleasure. Like, I just can't stop, even sa work, during lunchtime. Ayun, nag-listen ako sa podcast niya and I can't get over it because I learned so much about everything in life and everything about adulting. Thank you so much for that, Ate Joyce. So, shall we begin with the unboxing? Sige, let's start! So guys, let's start with the box. It looks like this. And then, there it says, adulting is hard but doable. And then, sa sides nga, it has the adulting with Joyce Pring logo. Then, dito din, adulting with Joyce Pring. Yes. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to open kasi hindi ko talaga nakita what's inside, like the actual ones. And I haven't seen videos as well, like mga unboxing videos of this. So, I'm so excited talaga. So, sige na, let's open na. It has a message right here sa box. It says, we hope these items will help you in your growth as a person and serve as a reminder that it's not about perfection but progress. Happy adulting! And it has Ate Joyce's signature, and then this hashtag adulting with Joyce Pring, and their Instagram account, and her website, www.joycepring.com. And then here we have a bubble wrap. Yes, it's so good because like, parang hindi ma-damage yung items. Oh my gosh! Ito na siya. Okay. So, it has a card. A message card. It says, thank you. I hope that this will improve your days and help you with adulting. It's a thank you card. It's like this. Thank you card. Stickers are so pretty. Wait lang. So pretty. It has 3 sets of stickers. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so in love with stickers. And then also it has 2 bookmarks. And siya, one says adulting is hard but doable, and then there's nothing shameful in trying hard. And for sure magagamit ko itong bookmarks na to because I have my books. So yes, I'm so happy for this. And then next we have 3 different notepads. And in different sizes din sila. See. This one, it's plain, but it has this like background niya. And then the bigger one, it says, stuff I didn't do yesterday. Parang madami-dami akong malilist dito. Stuff I didn't do yesterday. And I love the color. I love the shade na green. It's so nice. It's so so unique. And then the biggest notepad, ito siya, it says, Adulting with Joyce Pring, How to Adult. Paano nga ba? How to Adult. It's so nice kasi dotted siya, yung style niya. It's dotted, it's not like the lines. And this is the most exciting part. I can't believe na hawak ko na siya ngayon. Oh my gosh, this is the adulting journal. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Wow. Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya. Wow, 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 wow. Backstory, back in October, nung sinabi ni Ate Joyce na she will have a journal, like, my heart went, oops. My heart went like, oh my gosh, kailangan ko makuha yun. But then, ayun, naging available na siya for orders back in October as well. But hindi ako agad nakabili because I have some situation going on. I have some like financial assessment because with the year going to end and the 13th month, like papasok na sa'yo. And then, I really, I was so like conscious with everything. So like, I was in the verge of like budgeting because I was assessing my financial goals, kung na-hit ko ba siya for this year. And like, I was like, wait lang, makuha rin kita sometime soon, but wait ka lang muna. Ganun yung sabi ko sa sarili ko, like, I will get you, but wait lang. May aayusin lang ako with my whole assessment thingy. And then, back in November, I think it was like November last week, they announced that they will be having like the gift sets. So, it will include notepads and bookmarks and stickers. And I was like, oh my gosh, ito ba yung reason ba't hindi ako nakabili agad ng journal? Because I was supposed to have the entire set. I was like, oh my gosh. And then sa Instagram kasi yun, nakita ko yung announcement. And then, I tagged my Bobby. I was like, baka naman. I was or something like that. But I wasn't really serious with that. And he didn't give me a reply dun sa Instagram mention ko na yon. But then, one day, he just told me like, na na-order niya na and all, and like, ipapadala siya sa office address ko, and I was like, I went crazy talaga. And now, dito na siya, oh my gosh! I'm so excited about this. So, let's take a peek sa inside ng journal. Oh my gosh, this is so fragile. Ayoko siyang ma-scratch or anything. So yeah, oh my gosh, ang ganda ng ano niya, the texture of the actual journal. Look at that. And I love that Ate Joyce really made it so minimal in terms of designs niya. Like, just the Adulting Journal by Joyce, Pring, Trevino. And then, the sea waves, ang ganda. It's color gray. Diba? Parang ang minimal lang niya, but it's so classy. You know what I mean? Ganda niya, and ang likod niya, ganyan na siya. It's so beautiful, it's so minimal, and it's so clean. And then, it has this gray, parang lock. Oh my gosh, i-open ko na siya. I'm so kilig because it's a signed copy. My gosh, it's an original sign. Mommy, help me. Yung sign ni Ate Joyce, look at that. Oh my gosh, talaga. I'm so kilig. I feel like this video is full of oh my gosh. Yun lang talaga yung ano niya. Paulit-ulit na word. But, oh my gosh talaga siya. It has the forward. Oh my goodness. How to use this journal. And then, I like that it has this blank pages because if you like writing down anything, if you're really doing journals, diba? Parang ang ganda ng mga blank spaces so you can write anything. And then, it says here 3 things I'm grateful for. You can list them down. And then, physical health check. Mental health check. Parang Kailangan ko talaga nun. And then blank spaces again. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. My gosh, my gosh, my gosh. Ang ganda niya, ang ganda niya. See, super linis ng pages. Like, parang ayaw ko siyang sulatan. Honestly. Kasi parang, ayaw ko siyang madumihan talaga. Or like, ayaw ko siyang like, masira. Anything. Ayaw ko na may erasures. Oh my gosh. Kasi super ganda niya. Like, promise. Ang ganda niya in actual. Oh my goodness. About the author. Oh my gosh. The family, the Trevina fam. Oh, they're so cute. Look at this lovely cutie. Oh my gosh. Come on, I won't spoil you with everything na andito because you should get them yourself. You should see it for yourself. But this journal contains mainly the 7 pillars of adulting by Ate Joyce. So ayun, that's the most important like thing she wanna impart to her readers. The 7 pillars of adulting. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to use this. So I'm probably gonna find my best pens, my glitter pens to write down my life in this journal. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! I'm so excited. It's so beautiful talaga. So I wanna balik ko na siya sa proper place niya. And the notepads, I feel like hindi ko to talaga uubusin because I wanna have a remembrance or something, but they're so beautiful not to use. Like, oh my gosh, ang ganda talaga ng note sets. But I love that Ate Joyce made it different sizes. So witty. Then again, the bookmarks. And the stickers, you can find, I feel like you can find the words here from her podcast, The Adulting with Joyce Pring. Like, some words or phrases that she already mentioned in sa podcast. Yeah. So cute ni Bowie and Daisy. Cute doggies. Oh my gosh, I love everything. Well, that is it for this entire gift set. Well, oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. I can't even. Panay lang ako, oh my gosh. But I'm really excited to use these journals, and my boyfie was even excited to see what's inside. Kinukulit niya na ako because I've already received this a few days ago, and kinukulit niya na ako na i-open na because I feel like he wanna also see what's inside. So this is it. Also, if you wanna get the journal, here are the prices pala. If you wanna get the adulting journal only, it's $999 pesos plus delivery fee. And then the package one, it contains a signed journal and then a free box like this plus 2 sticker sets. Yun yung inclusion ng package one. It retails for 1,299 pesos, 1,299. And then this package, it contains a signed journal, a free gift box, 3 different sticker sets, 3 different notepads, and 2 bookmarks. Its price is $1,899 plus delivery fee. Everything is plus delivery fee. So yeah, if you wanna get yours, you can get them at www.joycepring.com. I'm so happy for this. I'm not gonna rate it or like tell you na it's 10 over 10 because it's obvious that I'm obsessed with everything. I just wish na hindi masyadong nasira yung box, but I feel like it's on the core here. Kasi parang naano lang siya dito, like enough na yung tissue or something, ganyan. But it's okay, it's just the box. What's important is yung laman niya. So I'm so excited talaga for the journal, and I feel like I'm gonna start writing on that next year for 2021, and I feel like I'm wishing for like an organized goal, plan, life in general for 2021. I'm so excited, and I feel like that's it. That's it for this video. Please subscribe if you want, and also don't forget to follow at Joyce Pring. She's a very good influencer, and also listen to her podcast Adulting with Joyce Pring. It's never too late, and dami-dami na episodes, but it's never too late, and you will learn so much from her. Promise guys, I really recommend her podcast. It's my top podcast for the Spotify 2020 rap thingy. So yes, I'm so excited for this again, and thank you so much for watching. If you've reached this far, bye.